welcome to my YouTube channel. So hi guys, good morning, and it's day 2 of Bali. Today we are not actually gonna do any kind of activities or something, so we just got ready, woke up to this beautiful view. Now we are leaving to go get some breakfast done, and we have planned to go visit the Canggu market. Maybe we'll just go explore and see what we can get, and then we'll be going to Tandhala temple today, and after that evening we'll be going to the Fins Club. So that's it for today. Maybe I won't be showing the whole day. I'll upload all these in my shorts. Guys, go check it out, and also in my Instagram reels. See you guys, bye, and I'll show you my outfit as well. See this white top from Glass On, from Forever New, and a pretty glass. That's it guys. See you next day, because tomorrow is gonna be fantastic, which I am more excited for. Hey guys, it's a big day today. In this video I'll be showing what all adventurous activities I'll be doing in Bali, and this is going to be the first and the best and the most awaiting activity, and it's bungee jumping. So yeah, we are now heading to Nusa Penida to do bungee jumping, and I'll show you guys how it goes. Let's go. By the way, wearing this cute orange top with white shorts. And that's it. We are here at bungee jumping. That is where we go, and this is where they jump. If you can see. Let's go, guys.
No. Which is no.
Yes, this is the jumping instruction, guys.
In the clinking letter. Yeah.
Asif, how excited are you? Yeah, I jump.
Yeah, the 4 people.
Signed the death certificate, guys.
Yeah.
Wait.
Number 30.
It's now 18 on the screen.
Yeah.
Guys,
this one for all of you. May I know who recommends you to come here?
This guy.
Okay.
Our driver.
Yeah, hello.
Yay!
Good job.
Fulfill this.
Good thing about me. No, I don't drink soft drinks, but to bislu andre too much. No other option, guys. I'm drinking. My legs are burning. I'm gonna jump over there.
ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది నిసర్గా? How excited are you?
So nervous, happy, excited.
Jump like this. పట్టుకో. ఆన్ చేయలే ఇంకా. అది చూపి వ్యూ చూపి దాంట్లో. నేను కూడా. నన్ను.
Your name?
Nisarga.
Nisarga. Holar susu. Susu holar. Holar susu holar. Ready, start, go.
Hey Nisarga.
Okay, I was so scared. My legs were literally shaking before the jump, and when I finally did it, oh my god, the force was so intense I couldn't even scream. I just went blank for 2 seconds, and then boom, The view was just insane. Like honestly, one of the craziest and best thing I have ever done. After the jump, we headed straight to Diamond Beach, one of the most Instagrammable spots in Bali. And trust me, it's even more stunning in real life. To top it off, we watched this dreamy sunset at Crystal Bay. This was like a perfect end to an insane, adventurous day. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Finally, after 2 years. Coconut, yeah, after 2 years I'm drinking coconut water. So satisfying. Hi guys, have come to Tukat Sepung waterfalls. Oh, hey, this is only the falls. But we can't go because there is some landslide and there is lots of force in water. And they asked us to not get down into the water. We didn't even take bath, guys, because we wanted to swim. But it's alright. Full landslides in there. At least let's see how it is and come back. Not gonna get into water. Road is blocked. Landslide. Let's go, guys. Why to risk our life? Notkoli, friends. That is only waterfalls. Would have gone down there, but due to landslides, you are not going. It's actually very scary, and it's already going to get dark. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸುಭಾಷು ಕಥೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Morning it was so hot. There like humidity and stuff. Oh my god. But now it's so cold. Nice. It's not cold, but it's raining. Weather is so good. Bye. Next stop was Mount Batur. We hopped into the school open jeeps and started the climb before dawn. Hi guys, we are here at Mount Batur to watch sunrise, and we started at 2:30. It's now almost going to be 5, and the sunrise is going to be at 6 AM. So we are waiting for the sunrise. It's so misty here. Let's see, wait and watch how the sunrise is gonna be. And we have come through a jeep, guys, so it's fun. The sky slowly started changing from misty grey to soft pinks, and then the golden glow breaking through the clouds. Absolutely breathtaking. This is how the sunrise looks, and now we can see how people have been sitting to watch the sunrise. So you have to either walk or hire an open jeep to come to the top of the mountain, and then you can come chill, sit here on the top of the jeeps and watch the sunrise, having coffee and then clicking good pictures. And the best part is all the drivers over here are very good photographers. They click really good pictures, and they did click our pictures as well. Also, this place is famous for the dirt bikes, where we can ride across the volcanic trail in the black lava sand, but it's pretty much fun for boys though.
Radhika.
Hello.
Guys.
We have come to black lava, so you can see the mountain behind, so that is called Mount Batur, and that is where we had gone for the sunrise. That's a mountain where the volcano eruption happens, and it comes all the way down, and this is where the lava has been stored. And the last volcano eruption was in 2020. So, and it's still there. The eruption is still there. You can see. It's so huge. Beautiful.